Welcome to Fun English Friends.
Hello, everyone. Do you know the names of these baking tools in English? Today, we'll learn common baking tools and discover how bakers use them to make bread, cakes, cookies, and pastries. You'll learn useful vocabulary and simple English sentences that you can use in real life. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Just listen, repeat, and learn with me. Let's begin.
This is a digital scale. This is a digital scale. We use it to weigh ingredients accurately. This is measuring cup. This is measuring cup. We use them to measure ingredients. These are measuring spoons. These are measuring spoons. We use them to measure small amounts of ingredients. This is a mixing bowl. This is a mixing bowl. We use it to mix ingredients together. This is a whisk. This is a whisk. We use it to mix eggs, cream, and butter. This is a rubber spatula. This is a rubber spatula. We use it to scrape the sides of a bowl. This is a wooden spoon. This is a wooden spoon. We use it to stir ingredients. This is a hand mixer. This is a hand mixer. We use it to mix ingredients quickly. This is a stand mixer. This is a stand mixer. We use it to mix dough and batter. This is a rolling pin. This is a rolling pin. We use it to roll out dough. This is a dough scraper. This is a dough scraper. We use it to cut and move dough. This is a pastry cutter. This is a pastry cutter. We use it to cut butter into flour. This is a dough whisk. This is a dough whisk. We use it to mix dough by hand. This is a silicone baking mat. This is a silicone baking mat. We use it to handle dough easily. This is a proofing basket. This is a proofing basket. We use it to proof bread dough. This is a baking sheet. This is a baking sheet. We use it to bake cookies and pastries. This is parchment paper. This is parchment paper. We use it to keep pastries from sticking to the pan. This is a cake pan. This is a cake pan. We use it to bake cakes. This is a loaf pan. This is a loaf pan. We use it to bake bread. This is a muffin tin. This is a muffin tin. We use it to bake muffins and cupcakes. This is a pie pan. This is a pie pan. We use it to bake pies. This is a spring-form pan. This is a spring-form pan. We use it to bake cheesecakes. This is a cooling rack. This is a cooling rack. We use it to cool pastries or cookies after baking. This is an oven. This is an oven. We use it to bake bread, cakes, and cookies. This is an oven thermometer. This is an oven thermometer. We use it to check the oven temperature. This is a timer. This is a timer. We use it to track baking time. This is an offset spatula. This is an offset spatula. We use it to spread frosting smoothly. These are cookie cutters. These are cookie cutters. We use them to cut dough into shapes. These are piping tips. These are piping tips. We use them to create different frosting designs. This is a piping bag. This is a piping bag. We use it to decorate cakes and cupcakes. This is a cake turntable. This is a cake turntable. We use it to rotate a cake while decorating. This is a pastry brush. This is a pastry brush. We use it to glaze bread. These are heat-resistant gloves. These are heat-resistant gloves. We use them to protect our hands from heat. This is a food processor. This is a food processor. We use it to chop, mix, and blend ingredients. This is a bread machine. This is a bread machine. We use it to make bread automatically.